Ever wondered how to create the perfect chicken noodles in your own kitchen? It's not as hard as you might think. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you started on your culinary journey. First, gather your ingredients. For this savory dish, you'll need boneless chicken breasts, egg noodles, vegetable oil, garlic, onions, carrots, bell peppers, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and black pepper. Begin with the chicken. Slice the boneless chicken breasts into thin, bite-sized pieces. This not only ensures they cook evenly, but also makes them easier to enjoy with the noodles. Next, heat a splash of vegetable oil in a large pan. Add the chicken pieces, cooking them until they turn a golden brown. Now, you're ready to add some flavor. Toss in finely chopped garlic and onions. Sauté until they soften and release their fragrant aroma. While the chicken and onions are getting acquainted in the pan, boil your egg noodles in a separate pot. Follow the instructions on the packet to ensure they are perfectly al dente. Once they're cooked, drain them and set them aside. Now, return to the pan. Add thinly sliced carrots and bell peppers to the mix. Stir-fry them with the chicken for a few minutes. Time to bring it all together. Add the cooked noodles to the chicken and vegetables. Drizzle in soy sauce and oyster sauce for that umami flavor punch. Toss everything together, making sure all the ingredients are well combined and coated in the sauce. Finish with a sprinkle of black pepper for a bit of heat. So, what have we done today? We've taken boneless chicken breasts, added some aromatic garlic and onions, tossed in crunchy carrots and bell peppers, all stir-fried in a blend of soy and oyster sauce. We've then combined this flavorful mix with perfectly cooked egg noodles and finished it off with a sprinkle of black pepper. In just a few simple steps, you've created a delicious restaurant-quality chicken noodle dish right in your own kitchen. It's proof that creating amazing food doesn't require a culinary degree, just a little time, the right ingredients, and a dash of love. Bon appétit!